How to redeem American Airlines Mile. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC, and then you want to go ahead and simply search for americanairlines.co.uk in your search bar and then log in to your AAdvantage account. On the American Airline homepage, find the section called Book and then check the box labeled as Redeem Miles and then specify your travel details. Either it is a one-way or round trip, original destination, and so on. After you have specified your travel details, review the available award flight and choose the one that fits your preferences, considering factors like flight times, layovers, and the number of miles required. Once you have chosen your flight, proceed to checkout, and here you'll see a summary of your itinerary, the number of miles you are redeeming, and any associated taxes and fees. After you have done that, simply review your booking details and confirm the redemption to finalize your award travel. And that is simply how you can redeem American Airlines miles. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.